Now let's try generating the release variant build here. So here I am specifying release, and now let's try to run this. And once you run this, the build will be automatically generated, and here is the path for the release build now. So let's try to go to this particular path and find this file. So here you can open this in the Finder now. So here is the project folder. Now let's go to the build folder, and from there to the app and outputs. And if you are feeling confused, here is the path, you can just follow it. And in the bundle release, so this is our AAB file, like the bundle file, and most of the Android developers might be well familiar with this particular file. And for those who are not aware of this particular file, just let me know in the comment section below. You need to know a lot of things about this particular file. Initially we used to upload APKs to the Play Store, but later bundles we are uploading. And so now let's try to upload this particular bundle to the Play Store now. So here I'm trying to create a new app, and just I'm going to name it like AppsFlyer test, and just for the internal testing purpose I am trying to upload this particular bundle to the Play Store. And if you want a clear-cut guidance like how to upload application to the Play Store, here's the video. I'm providing the link in the description section below. And if you are facing any issues, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be trying to provide these particular app details. And yes, it just took few seconds, and now that our application is now created in the Play console. So here you can see this is AppsFlyer test application, and now we need to upload the build, that is the AAB file here. And under the test and release here, so I'll be going to the internal testing now, and under the internal testing I'm trying to create a new release. And in this particular new release, right, we will be dropping this particular AAB file. So here we have a space to drop the AAB bundle, or else you can just upload by clicking on this particular upload button. So let me try to drag and drop this, and once you try to drag and drop, right, it will try uploading it, and if there are any errors it will try to specify the errors, and you need to rectify them before going any further. But this is the first version, and I don't think there will be any errors, and just that it takes some time to make the optimization. And again, I said you earlier why we are going for AAB from the APK we used to upload earlier. I'll be explaining you. If you are having any queries, just let me know in the comment section below. And yes, here we can see the app bundle is now uploaded successfully, and also it is showing you the API levels 21 and target SDK 35. So now that's not our concern, and here is the internal release build ready for us to upload. And you can also add the release notes, but just for the testing purpose I am not going to add anything. You can just save as a draft and upload and release later, but now I am going to do it straight away. And we also got two warnings here. The first warning is this release will not be available to any users because you haven't specified any testers. So this is the place where we need to be cautious. We need to add the testers because we are trying to install this application on our device, and this is not available to everyone. This is just available to the testers, like the email IDs we specified, right? For them only it will be available. So let's try adding the testers email address here. And the second warning is there is no deobfuscation file associated. Yes, again this is a testing build, so we don't require, but it's a better practice. So internal app sharing here, upload and uploaders and testers. So here I'll be selecting this because I have already added few testers to my account, so I'll be utilizing the same And if you are trying this for the first time, you can create the email list here and try to add the testers email address over here, or you can just upload the CSV as well. So here in the internal app sharing, you have got two options, uploaders and testers, and the second one is email list. So let me try to select the testers here. So I have already added few testers to my account and I am selecting the same here and trying to tap on save changes. And once you go back to the uploaders and testers here I'll be restricting the access to the email list and I'll be saving the changes. Okay, restrict access, and now come back to the internal testing here and we need to select the testers. And now that we have selected the testers, right, we have got the option here to choose those testers for this particular version, and I am trying to save this. And even the second step is completed now. So the third step is preview and confirm the release. So let's go to this, and here you can see even the warning is reduced to 1 now, and everything is fine, and we don't have any release notes like that for this particular version. And I am trying to click on save and publish. So the change will be published immediately. Changes usually appear within 1 hour, but occasionally can take longer. So let's try to save and publish, and here the version is now released for the internal testing. And for the testers, right, you can just copy this particular link here and you can share this particular link with those testers whom you have added in the testers list here. So I'll be trying to use this particular link on my device and try downloading this particular application. And now we are on to the AppsFlyer dashboard, so OneLink management, and here I am trying to create a new link, referral to app here, and click on the next button. So media source name, user invite, I'm going to select, and campaign name, I'm going to name it like a reward on install. Okay, so this is a campaign name, and retargeting. Okay, and link brand here you can see, and the next step is referral to app settings, and here we need to specify the deep link value, and the deep link value is install points. I'm going to specify, and deep link value I'm going to name it like rewards. That's all. And when you scroll down here, you'll be having redirect to Google Play, custom store listing optional. So here let me try to select the custom media source, and your media platform I'm just trying to specify amplifyabhi here, and reward on install is the campaign name, and we don't have any additional parameters, so I'm just trying to create the link. And yes, the link is now ready. Let me try to uninstall the application, and I have copied the link, and so here is now the link for our AppsFlyer, and just we have created, right, and I'm trying to open the link. And now that we are trying to install through the AppsFlyer link, and let me try to open the link now, and here we have got the reward. So yes, reward on install, we are now able to see the reward on install here.